The PSVR 2 is coming soon, 2023. What's inside the box? I'm so excited, honestly. I'm so excited. I know there's a pre-order and I'm waiting for an email. If you've got an email, comment below. Lucky you. Lucky you. But yeah, I'm waiting, so let's see. But anyways, guys, this is inside the box. Let's see what's inside the box. So we got the headset. That looks beautiful from the top, I can't lie. It's got the wire leading into the PlayStation 5. You must have a PlayStation 5 for this PSVR 2. So that is the main head unit that sits on your head. We have two controllers. Absolutely beautiful. And alongside the two controllers are these right here. And guess what these are? These are straps. You would not want to send your controller into someone's face or into your 8K TV. Trust me on that one. That is a must. I know it looks sturdy, like you're holding it like this, but anything's possible. You can slip out anytime. Remember, you can get so into your PSVR 2 game Horizon and just it can release out of your hand. So safety is a must. That is good. Next up, we got the USB cable. I'm thinking these are not to charge the actual head unit. These are to charge the controllers because the controllers have got a built-in battery. We got a PSVR 2 probably user manual or something, warranty. And then this is very interesting here. Now, it hasn't got built-in headphones or built-in speakers. So what they've done, I think, is they look wireless, but I don't think they're wireless. I think what's going to happen is you plug them into the headphone jack. That's probably into the unit. And once they're plugged in, it just fits so well. You get your little different sizes, but that would be very nice because you literally just plug it in, put it in. Depending on how they sound, you might actually want to wear better headphones, but until we don't review it and check it, we'll never know. So they don't look too bass boosted, bass pump, but hey, only time will tell. But guys, this is what is inside your PSVR 2 box. I can't wait. Also, like, share, subscribe, comment below. I'm Sachthemotive. You can call me Sach. Thank you very much for watching. Over and out.